Hello and welcome back to What's Market Foundation. I am Vignesh Watts. In the last video, we had already talked about the alphabet. We learned what is candlestick. We learned that the wick a story of rejection. The body is a story of confusion. By knowing the alphabet doesn't mean you can write a book. Just starting a single candle won't make you rich. You need to know that these candles interact each other. Today we are going to the world. We are going to look the candlestick pattern. There are hundreds of patterns in the textbook. Three black cross, abundant baby, falling star, etc. A lots of candlestick pattern. You can waste years of the monitoring them. I am going to save you time. You only need to master three. These three patterns appears every single day in our single market. If you master this, you can make a living. Let's drive it. Chapter 1. The golden rule of context. Before I show you the pattern, I need you to give the warning. This is where the 90% of the beginner fail. Context is a king. If you see a stop sign in the middle of the empty desert, what you will do? You will ignore it, means nothing. But if you see a stop sign in a busy interaction, you save your life. Candlestick patterns are the same. A pattern is a middle, nowhere is a noise. A pattern is a signal. So when I show you this, say promise me. One, you will only look this pattern from top to bottom where they move, never in the middle. Chapter 2. Pattern number 1. The hammer. This is bullish rejection pattern. It tells the price is ready to go up. What does it look like? It has a small body at the top and a long wick at the bottom. It literally looks like a hammer. You will see and hit a nail. The psychology. How does it work? Imagine the market open. The seller takes control. They push the price down. But suddenly the buyer step in. They saw this is too cheap. They buy everything aggressively. The price shoot back and close near to the top. This long wick at the bottom. This is footprint of the buyer. Then hammers out of the flow. When you see this on the bottom of a downtrend, the sellers are state the reversal is coming. Chapter 3. The shooting star. It is also known as the ceiling. Pattern number 2. The shooting star. This is the opposite of the hammer. It is a bearish rejection pattern. It tells us the price is ready to crash. What does it look like? It has a small body at the bottom and a long wick at the top. It looks like an inverted hammer. The psychology. The buyers tried to push up the price. They were great. They pushed the price into the new high. But the big banks or a hedge fund were waiting there. They sold millions of the shares at a one time. The price got slapped down and closer to the near of the bottom. This long wick is all top of trap at all the people who bought at the top and now losing money. This will panic and sell. When you see a shooting star on the top of the trend, the get ready to short. Chapter 4. The engulfing candlestick pattern. It is also known as the power move. Pattern number 3. That is my favorite. The engulfing pattern. This requires two candles. Imagine a small red candle. The sellers are in control. But the next very candle is a massive green candle. The green candle is so big. It is completely it's the engulfing. The previous red one. The psychology. This is the violent shift of the power. The moment that sellers were happy, the next moment a tidal waves of the buyer entered in a room and wiped out. If you see a bullish single shift green, it red at a support level. That is pure strength. Trend has changed. If you see a bearish single shift red, it's green at the top. The party is over. Now come to the conclusion. So let's recap. So today we had seen that the three candlestick pattern: the hammer, the shooting star, and the angle shift. Now let's completely recap this. The hammer, buyer rejected at lowers, look for buy. The shooting star, seller rejected at high, looks for sell, and the angle shift pattern. One side completely overpowered the other. Here is your homework. Don't trade real money yet. Open a chart, look at the history. Find the top to the bottom. I guarantee you, at almost every major turning point, you will see these three patterns. Train your eye to spot them. In the next video, we are going to add the final ingredient. Patterns are good, but location is better. We are going to talk about the support and resistance. We are going to draw the map where the war takes place. If you getting the value from this, click the button of the like and subscribe and do not miss the next lesson. My name is Vignesh Watts. Stay disciplined. I will see you soon.